Corona's havoc in the country continues to grow. Over 3.79 lakh new cases were reported in last 24 hours. For the first time, such a large number of cases have been reported. Together, the total number of people infected so far has been 1,83,68,096. There were 3,646 deaths during this period. 1,035 people lost their lives in Maharashtra and 368 in Delhi. The cases are also increasing rapidly in the southern states of Kerala and Karnataka. According to the information received till 1 o'clock at night, the number of active cases in the country has increased to 30,77,121. During this period, 2,70,202 people were discharged from hospitals. In this way, 1,50,78,276 people have been completely cured from this disease so far. The second wave of corona recorded a rapid increase in cases. The number of people infected with corona in the country crossed 20 lakh on August 7 last year. Similarly, the figure of 50 lakhs was crossed on 16 September and 1 crore on 19 December, while the figure of 1.50 crore crossed on 19 of this month. Out of 3,646 people who have lost their lives during 24 hours in the country, the maximum 1,035 people are from Maharashtra. This was followed by 368 in Delhi, 265 in Uttar Pradesh, 279 in Chhattisgarh, 229 in Karnataka, 174 in Gujarat, 85 in Rajasthan, 142 in Punjab, 95 in Haryana and 84 in Bihar. According to the data, the states of the country which are most affected by corona are also getting more deaths from this infection. The latest 78.53% cases of deaths have came from these 10 states. Maharashtra has the highest number of deaths. After that, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh are the states where the largest number of people are dying from corona every day. For more news updates, subscribe to our channel Ishan News Network and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.